Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add files to OneDrive. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys right here, I am right now on the desktop. So right now, go ahead and click on the start menu and then search for File Explorer. If you don't find it right here, just type it and then go ahead and click on open. And then once you do that, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find home, gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, go to OneDrive, right click on it, and then here you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find copy, expand, open in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. Here you're going to find always keep on the device, free of space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on it, and then here you're going to find view online, settings, and here you're going to find folder color. Go ahead and click on view online, and then this will take you to this page on the web. So right now, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find my files, recent, photos, shared, and lastly, right here, you're going to find your recycle bin. So right now, go to my files, and then here in the top, you're going to find add new. Click on it, and then as you can see, guys, right here, you can add a new folder. You can upload files, upload folders, Word documents, and so on. Go ahead and click on Files Upload, and then choose the files that you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload an image. For example, this one. Double click on it, and then right now it's uploading. And as you can see, guys, now the image has been uploaded. Right now, you can go to the file that you uploaded. Click on these three dots, and then here you're gonna find all of the options related to it. Here you can preview it, share it, manage access to, delete, move to another folder maybe, and you can also download it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.